Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view your own email account on an Android device. Here I'm using an Infinix Note 30 NFC device, but this step can be applied to all types of Androids. Before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe for more information. Alright, first step, please enter the settings menu, and then you can scroll down. After that, here you can choose Google option. And then here you can log into your Google account. If there are multiple accounts linked to your device, and then you can click on this icon. Alright, please tap on your Google account. And then here you can see information about your account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view your own email account on an Android device. Thank you.